Mud, oil, and steel don't stand a chance. These are not ordinary washers. They are industrial giants. From mining trucks to construction monsters, this is where pressure, power, and precision collide. Welcome to Mighty Machine. This is InterClean, one of the giants in industrial washing technology. These systems are designed for non-stop heavy-duty operations, cleaning massive construction vehicles, mining trucks, and industrial machinery that operate in extreme conditions. InterClean wash systems use high-pressure pumps, pushing up to 250 to 300 bar, combined with intelligent spray arms that automatically adjust to the shape of the machine. A single InterClean installation can clean 80 to 120 heavy machines per day, depending on size and contamination. These systems are not cheap. A full setup can cost anywhere between $250,000 to over $1 million, but for ports, factories, and mega construction sites, the return on investment is massive. Faster cleaning means less downtime, longer machine life, and safer operations. Finfinet washing equipment is built for one thing: raw power. These systems use ultra-high pressure water jets reaching up to 500 bar, strong enough to blast off dried concrete, oil sludge, and thick mud in seconds. Designed mainly for heavy trucks and construction vehicles, Finfinet systems can clean one large machine in under 5 minutes, allowing up to 100 vehicles per day in busy operations. The frames are reinforced steel, built to survive harsh industrial environments. Depending on configuration, Finfinet systems usually cost $150,000 to $400,000. Watching these machines work is incredibly satisfying, because no matter how dirty the vehicle is, it doesn't stand a chance. Riveer washing systems focus on speed, consistency, and automation. These machines are widely used in fleet yards where dozens of trucks and heavy vehicles must be cleaned daily. Using large rotating brushes combined with controlled high-pressure water, Riveer systems can clean a full-size truck in 3 to 6 minutes. That means 70 to 100 vehicles per day with minimal human labor. These systems typically operate at 120 to 200 bar pressure, optimized for surface safety and long-term paint protection. A complete Riveer wash setup can cost $100,000 to $300,000, making it a smart investment for transport companies that value efficiency and uniform results. ProNano takes a completely different approach. Instead of brute force, they use advanced nanotechnology chemistry. Their systems clean machines while applying a microscopic protective coating that repels dirt, oil, and water. This means machines stay cleaner for weeks instead of days. ProNano solutions require up to 70% less water compared to traditional washing systems and work at lower pressure, reducing surface damage. One treatment session can protect a machine for 30 to 60 days. While the chemicals are premium priced, often $5,000 to $20,000 per treatment setup, the long-term savings in water, labor, and maintenance are huge. It's high-tech cleaning for modern industry. MME International designs washing systems for machines that most washers can't handle. These are custom-built industrial wash bays for mining equipment, steel structures, and oversized machinery. Their systems operate with high-volume pumps delivering thousands of liters of water per minute, combined with heat and chemical injection when needed. One MME wash system can clean 20 to 40 massive machines per day, even those weighing over 100 tons. Prices vary widely due to customization, but large installations often range from $500,000 to over $2 million. These machines are built not for looks, but for survival in the toughest industrial environments on Earth. This is washing without stopping operations. Transport Wash Systems builds drive-through cleaning systems for trucks and heavy vehicles. Drivers simply roll in, and automated spray arms take over. Operating at 150 to 250 bar, these systems clean a vehicle in under 4 minutes, allowing over 100 vehicles per day in busy depots. No long queues, no manual scrubbing, just constant movement. These systems are widely used in logistics hubs and transport yards, where time equals money. Large, automated installations can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, but the ability to clean vehicles non-stop makes them incredibly valuable. This is industrial washing designed for speed, not patience. Sioux Corporation specializes in heat, and heat changes everything. Their industrial steam cleaners use superheated water reaching over 150 degrees Celsius, melting grease, oil, and biological contamination on contact. Steam cleaning is ideal for engines, undercarriages, and sensitive components where pressure alone isn't enough. A single Sioux system can clean 10 to 30 heavy machines per day, depending on contamination levels. These systems are widely used in mining, oil, and heavy manufacturing. Prices vary by capacity, but industrial setups can reach hundreds of thousands of dollars. Steam doesn't just clean, it sanitizes. Once you witness the effortless disappearance of grease, you comprehend why dirt fears steam. Hydro-Chem Systems brings industrial cleaning directly to the battlefield. Their mobile and fixed pressure washing units deliver up to 300 bar, often combined with hot water and specialized detergents. These systems are mounted on trucks or trailers, allowing cleaning directly at construction sites and mines. One unit can clean 25 to 50 large machines per day, eliminating transport delays. Hydro-Chem systems are built for flexibility and raw performance. Depending on setup, prices range from tens of thousands to several $100,000. When machines can't come to the wash bay comes to them. Cleaning a train is a completely different challenge, and InterClean dominates it. These systems are designed to wash entire train cars in one pass using synchronized spray arches and rotating brushes. A full train can be cleaned in 10 to 15 minutes, allowing dozens of train sets per day. Advanced filtration systems recycle up to 90% of water, making the process efficient despite the massive scale. These installations are enormous and expensive, often exceeding $1 million. But for rail operators, cleanliness isn't optional. It's regulation, safety, and public image. This is washing on a scale few machines ever reach. Pressure alone isn't always enough, and Hotsy knows that. Their salt lick detergent is designed for extreme industrial contamination, breaking down oil, grease, and salt buildup fast. When combined with pressure washers operating at 200 to 350 bar, cleaning time can drop by up to 40%. These detergents are used in construction, mining, and heavy transport industries worldwide. The system itself isn't expensive, but the results are dramatic. Machines get cleaner, faster, with less effort. Sometimes chemistry is the real weapon. Simple Green's Mine Cleaner is built for environments where dirt is extreme, but safety still matters. Designed specifically for mining equipment, it breaks down heavy grease and soil without corrosive chemicals. Used alongside industrial pressure washers, it allows operators to clean massive machines daily without damaging surfaces or harming the environment. A single setup can support dozens of machine washes per day. It's affordable compared to large wash systems, but incredibly effective. This is proof that you don't always need violence. Sometimes smart chemistry wins. Evans equipment focuses on where washing happens. Their portable wash pads allow heavy machines to be cleaned anywhere, while capturing contaminated runoff safely. These pads can support machines weighing over 100 tons and handle multiple washes per day. They're essential in mines, construction sites, and environmentally regulated zones. Prices vary by size, but large industrial pads can reach 6 figures. They may look simple, but without them, many washing operations wouldn't even be legal. Carmad Industrial builds custom wash bay solutions for heavy industry. These systems integrate pressure washing, water recovery, filtration, and structural steel platforms. Designed for non-stop industrial use, Carmad wash bays handle large equipment daily while meeting strict environmental standards. Every system is engineered for its location, which often pushes costs into high 6 figures. Carmad doesn't just clean machines, it builds the infrastructure that makes cleaning possible. From mud to metal, nothing survives industrial power. Subscribe for the biggest machines on Earth only on Mighty Machines.